Hey everyone, welcome back to CodersNook. Today we are diving into the Flutter and exploring the concept of stateless widgets. So, what exactly is stateless widget? Simply, a stateless widget is a widget that does not have an immutable state. This means that once it is built, it cannot change its property or appearance. It is ideal for displaying static content or UI elements that does not need to change over time. Let's dive into some code to see how stateless widgets work. I will create a simple stateless widget called my stateless widget. In this example, we have created a stateless widget that displays a blue container with center text saying hello stateless widget. And that is a basic overview of stateless widgets in Flutter. They are an essential building block for creating user interfaces in Flutter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Flutter tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.